even these times are quite challenging, there's going to be a lot of opportunity to be had after everything passes. And one of the things I'm really, really excited about is getting back my team, getting them back stable, and they're going to be a lot more engaged, I believe. I think this shook up a lot of things about the whole. Um, I think people will be a lot more grateful for jobs after what has happened. I think a lot of people may have taken it for granted, so there's going to be a lot more engagement, a lot more core purpose and intention to achieve the mission of the office. I think one, too, this can be a wake up call for a lot of people to get healthy in the U.S. and that's not the world. Just around how the immune system actually works, as well as how the inflammation has a bad effect on the body, and that's what we do on a daily basis is to manage inflammation of the gums, which is inflammation in the body, promote better health, and that's one of the best ways you can do that is really with dental care services and to get rid of all the bacteria and viruses, fungus that live in the mouth, inflammation that lives in the mouth, and so great opportunity. And so as we keep moving forward with all our actions and those two things combined, we will definitely be able to bounce back a lot quicker, be a lot more successful, which will allow us to actually grow and put more of our fingers into our local community with more Modern Family Dental Care offices. Because we offer a great service to all of our patients, and I'm proud to say that. I know it, and no one else can do it as good as us. So we're going to make sure we can do it more for more people.